Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. We're going to do this eye look today. You can wear this all year round, but it's really wonderful for fall and for summer. I even love it at Christmas time. And the palette that I'm going to use, you can mix it up, change it up. You do not have to make this dramatic look. I just love the way this looks. It looks so pretty on your eyes. And if you got green eyes, blue eyes, it's really going to make your eyes pop. So let's learn how to do it. Now, this is truly one of my favorite eye looks, but you've got to start every eye look off with eye primer. Please don't forget to do that. If you live here in the South, you need to have eye primer because eye primer is like really important. This is Younique's eye primer. I do love it. It's kind of a lotiony like eye primer, and it feels so good on. And it does have a tacky feel to it. So you know, that's good because it's going to grab and hold whatever color you put on your eyes. But what I do like to do is set it with a little bit of It's by my Pores. Here's some in a little jar here, the lid. And get a little brush like this. I've decided I like these little brushes when I'm working around my eyes instead of those big ones. It's just easier to get to, and I can just pat it in. There we go. And then it's touchable. And you can go right on in, girl, and get all your makeup on. I hope y'all are having a great day. I love doing these. It's really important to me that, you know, I do it correctly for you and that you understand it. At this time in my life, I'm almost 61. So I'll be 61 in a couple of months in September. So 61, what happened to me? And I did have my granddaughter. I really wished I could have done a video with her. She spent the night, and she's so much fun. But we did do a live on Facebook. So if you're, you know, my Younique by Melissa page, oh gosh, go and watch it. She's so cute, I swear. She's growing up, and I don't like it. She's 9 now. I can't believe it. But she is so personable, and she was talking to everybody. Just, you know, I don't know if she gets it from me, the gift of gab, or what. But it was really nice having her here. I enjoyed her. We went shopping yesterday. We did. We had a good time. So, all right, that is done. So now I'm going to grab the colors I'm going to use. Oh, gosh, you're going to love them. Oh, and by the way, guess what? I got to get my nails done today. Just so you know, they're a little sad looking. But I got to film this, and then I'm going there. So here's our colors. These are my favorite colors. Now, I wear these all year round. You can pick and choose what you want to do. Sometimes I just use this color here and then this color together, or vice versa here, or maybe this one and this one. It's a really, really versatile palette. You do not have to use all 4, but I'm going to show you how to use all 4 of these on your eye, and it is so pretty. It's great for fall. It's great for summer. You could pick 2 of the lighter colors, you know, for some other time of the year when it's not so, you know, summery. But this is beautiful. Now, this is marvelous. This is astute. This is manipulative, and that is visionary, which you can tell is one of my favorite colors. It is. It's beautiful. And I'm probably going to put this one on my lips when we get done. So it just makes a beautiful pop of color, and it sets your lipstick, and it just lasts longer. So let's get going. Okay, there's one color. If you've been watching me long enough, that I always use in every eye look that I do, and it's the color Laid Back. And so I stuck it on here. These are magnetic, believe that or not. These pop out. You just turn them over on this side and push the little holes, and they'll come out. You can change them out. So I like to use Laid Back because whoa, look at that. That was fun. I like to do a light little wash of it over my eye. Why? Because sometimes you have a lot of discoloration, and if you do, you have some darkness, then it really does help to kind of lay down one light color. And this is the one I love to use anyway in the corner of my eyes, and I love to use it up here under my brows toward the end when I finish things up. And you can just pop some right in here if you feel like you need to, because I always do put it in my inner corner anyway. So there. Now we're ready, and we're going to grab, we're going to start with Astute, this color right here. I'm not going to use this big brush for that. We're going to get a different brush. I'm actually going to use a Younique brush. This one is called the Deluxe brush, and I really like it because I can put down the color exactly where I want it, and then I can blend it out with one of the bigger brushes. So we do not want this down in the corner. This is going to be our outer V color. This is going to be our transition color. And these are both the lid colors. So let's pop this color right in here. Let's look straight ahead. Let me see. Let me get some of this right here. I got to look straight ahead and pop it right above my eyelid. Can you see it? You got to be able to see it. I have hooded eyes. If you have deep set eyes, you probably won't have to do this. You're a good girl. But I don't have that. So basically, I'm just going to kind of blend this out to the side. This is a great brush. I had forgotten about this brush. I was going through brushes the other day, and I happened to come across it. I'm like, oh my goodness, why haven't I been using this? And then I realized I had 2 of them. So I'm good to go if I lose one, right? So I'm going to take this, just bring it right underneath my brow there and just blend it outward. Now see how pretty it is that we put that laid back down? Now you can blend it up into that color, and you don't have to come back and add it at the end, because it's always better to put it at the beginning, and then you can blend it out right here with this color. This is such a pretty color. Isn't that pretty? Man, you could just put 2 colors on. You actually could use Astute and this color here, Visionary, and you'd be good to go. That's really pretty color. So I'm going to do one eye for you. And so this, I don't want this to be a long video for you, okay? So the next color I'm going to use, I'm going to grab my, well, I love this shader liner brush. Now the first color that I'm going to lay down on this side is a Manipulative, this color here. Beautiful color. It does have a little red in it, but it's absolutely a gorgeous color. And I'm going to put it on my whole entire outer third lid or outer half right here. And I'm patting it in. Pat's your friend here, remember? I always say that. And why do I say that? Because if you put something shiny and you swipe it across, our skin has a lot of little skin cells. And every skin cell that you have will show up, and you will not like the look. You will not. You'll be unhappy. And you'll go, Lister didn't tell me not to do that. I'm telling you now, pat it in. Pat's your friend when you're using shiny colors, okay? So now we're going to use Visionary, which is my favorite. Visionary is like the bomb. I have a brand new one, but I'm going to use this one first before I open the other one. I just love this color. Now, I have worn this color just by itself a few times, and it was perfect. It's beautiful. Now you're going to take this and just kind of blend it into Manipulative. Pat is your friend, remember? Don't forget. Isn't that pretty? Yes. And then we got to add the outer color. Oh my goodness. The outer color is what brings this all together. I'm going to kind of press it up just a little higher and over here in the corner. And the cool thing about these is you don't have to do a lot of blending to get these eyeshadows to work. I guess it depends on what you're using. Now I'm going to take this Deluxe brush again, and we're going to come down here into Marvelous. Marvelous. Now this is what I used to do a long time ago. So if you have trouble doing an outer V, here's what we're doing. Let me mix with my mirror. We are going to take this, and I put it right on the tip, right? I'm going to take this and I'm going to stamp it right here. You see that? And then I'm going to come back down and get a little more, tap it off on my hand, and I'm going to come right here, because that's where my outer V should be. Just like that. Do you see? So easy. I will blink this brush because I think you will like it. I love it. It's one that you can blend with and apply. So, and if you've got smaller eyes like me, sometimes it's really better to have a smaller brush that you can work with, because sometimes it just gets muddy, and we don't want a muddy look. We want to see all these colors kind of graduate together and blend out. Now, once I get this kind of blended out, will I go and get a bigger brush? Yes, I will. I'll go get a bigger brush. Oh, it's so pretty. And then we'll kind of blend it out. We'll bring it up just a tad. Now, I do bring it up a little bit higher because, you know, I want this lid to be more prominent. So I bring it up just a tad. Make sure you take it out to the tail of your brow. So I've already done my brows, so we don't have to worry about brows today. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. Now I do want to add a liner to this. I am going to use Proper, which is a dark brown. Very, very pretty color. I love this. I love these brushes. I'm going to use this little brush here. This is number 210, I think. Yes, 210. This is a great brush. This is a BK Beauty brush. And don't worry, I'll list everything below. I will, you know, as I do that. And so what I'm going to do is take this, and I'm going to start like right on the other side of my pupil and just darken this area. I don't really want a wing. This is not about wings. This is about color. And I already have enough darkness, I think, out here to not have to make a wing. See that? That's just pretty. Now, this is what I'm going to do with this. And the reason I do this, instead of using the powder, I could use Marvelous. But you know how eyeshadows are. They may come down and get on your face. This will not, okay? This is sweat proof, waterproof. It's a lot of proof. So, so I put it on the end of that brush, and we're just going to bring it right through here. And I am going to tight line just a little, okay? Just a little. And because I don't want that to be too dark. I just kind of want to have it smoky look. So don't get heavy-handed with it. And come right through here. I'm getting ready to go to convention. I go to convention this week. Next week. I'm so excited. I'm off for an entire week from work. It's so nice. It's so nice because I don't have that pressure of having to get up and run. All right. Don't bring this all the way to the inner. Now, if you got wide set eyes, do that. Bring it all the way in. I keep it on the outer third because it just makes my eyes look like they're longer from each other. They're elongated more. And I really love that look. And the only way to get it is to do something like this. So I'm going to add some mascara because you've seen me do mascara 1,000 times, okay? And I am going to use 4D, and I'll be right back, and we'll look at this finished eye. Okay, what do you think? Isn't that pretty? With mascara on it, it just elongates the eye so much better. Look how little this eye looks, and look how much bigger this one looks. Makeup is amazing. Now I'm going to come back and get laid back right here. Laid back. And we're going to pop that right here in this corner. Because I don't really like shiny there. See that little divot I have? That's just from aging, getting older. And I do like to put a little bit of this right here. And that makes it look so much better. This opens it up really nicely. And that way you don't have all that shiny down in that corner. So I'm going to finish this other eye. And then I'll come back and we'll do our lippy. And girl, then we can go on outside and I'm going shopping. Okay, here's our finished look. Except for my lips. We got to finish that out. I love this eye look. Oh, it's so pretty. It is. It's just beautiful. It goes with anything you put on now, girlfriend. It does. And you don't have to use all the colors, like I said. So you just pick and choose what you want. I have this on my lips. This is my Maybelline Griege 104. Love it. You have to get it off of Amazon because it's not in the stores anymore. But you can get it on Amazon. And so what I'm going to do, I have two different lipsticks here. I want to use Moneyed first. I'm going to put Moneyed because Moneyed is brown. It's a little brown chocolate. And I think that might be pretty over this color here that I've got on my lips already, because the Maybelline is more like a mauve color, so I'm mixing the two. And then what I'm going to do is come back and grab Well To Do, which is these are Younique's colors, and we're going to pop it right here in the center like that. Kind of blend it out. That way you can get kind of an ombre effect. Now, you can come back and do what I love to do, which is add a lighter color in the center, or leave it like this. You can. But if you put the lighter color in the center, guess what? It's going to stay longer. So let's try. You know what I'm going to try? I have a color over here called Optimistic. This color here. That would be pretty. Or I could use Visionary here. What should I do? I could use these two as my final blush colors. You can use eyeshadows for blush, girl. Try different things. Please, just try it out. If you don't like it, you can wipe it off. That's what I do. All right, ta-da! I'm going to use Visionary. Okay, so I don't want a whole lot. I just want to pop it right near the center. That's pretty. The cool thing about this is you can drink your coffee. You can do whatever. And it's not going to move. He can kiss people. It's not going to come off on him. So if you got a person you want to give a big kiss to, you know what? That'll be perfectly fine. I love that. I love that. Oh, that's the perfect color. Absolutely perfect. Oh, this is such a cute, cute look. I hope y'all try it. If you've got some of these same colors, try it with what you have. But if you want to grab this palette and the brushes that I've used, then go ahead and I'll put everything down in the description box below. I love this look. I do. Now, the last thing I've got to do, I've already sprayed my Prime and Set Mist by Younique. Love that stuff. And I do use that underneath my eyes. When I do my under eyes, I put that on first and then come and put the concealer over it. And I'm using that RMS. And I do have a new product from RMS that I'm going to try. I'm going to do a video on this. This is an eyeshadow. I haven't tried their eyeshadow, so that'll be my next video. And I'm going to try to get, I'm going to try to do another video this week at some point because, you know, I'm off. And I'm going to convention. I'll be in Salt Lake City. So next Saturday, I won't be here. So if I go ahead and get it and I get it set up to run, it'll run. Okay, so come back next Saturday. Spray. Okay. Spray. Well, actually, I run these on Sunday. I create them on Saturday. Okay. I love this. I will link this too. You can get this on Amazon too. This is that Revolution Fix and Glow. It is absolutely beautiful on your face. I love the way it shines. And guess what? It sets your makeup too. Plus you have that shine. Oh gosh, that's pretty. And it smells good too. It really does. It smells wonderful. It's got a floral kind of scent to it, but it's a real light floral scent. Oh, girl. All right. I hope y'all try this. I think this would be perfect for the rest of your summer and into fall. And you can use some of the other colors like for Christmas. This manipulative would be really pretty for Christmas. That one there. Yes. All right, girls. Please like and share and click that notification bell. I am here on Sundays only right now. And I want you to try this look. Try it. I think you will love it. I'm 60. If I can do it, you can do it. I promise you, you can. I'm almost 61. I'm closer to 61 than I am 60. And I appreciate you guys always popping in, making your comments. I love it. I love to go back and read your comments. So if you need any help with colors, just message me or put it here in the comments. And I will definitely help you with anything that you need. All right. Y'all go and have a fabulous day. See you later.